So, Mr. Sharma, it is a great pleasure speaking to you. और आपके बारे में रमेश तिवारी जी ने मुझे काफ़ी बताया कि आपने किस तरीके से अपना करियर को प्रोग्रेस किया. You have done the doctorate also. And
I got honorable doctorate
Yeah.
from World Peace Institute of United Nations.
Oh, great.
Because of my work experience. I'm into safety and security field since last 17-18 years.
Okay. When we say safety and security, what exactly we mean? Because safety and security is having very diverse dimensions. तो आपका किस dimension में वो रहा है?
I have done my NIVOS course, employee safety course.
Okay.
And a lot of courses from ASIS, ASIS International, ASIS International Academy.
Okay.
Which is ये US का बहुत बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो एक सर्टिफिकेशन.
ये क्या उस बारे में है जिसमें से इंडस्ट्रियल सिक्योरिटी ऑफ एम्प्लॉई है?
Exactly.
Okay. So it means how to conduct in an industrial environment. And what kind of the precautions are required so that accidents could be avoided. हम कैसे दुर्घटनाओं को रोकें और कैसे जो है ना दुर्घटना हो जाए तो how to respond, उन दोनों पार्ट को वो कवर करेगा.
Yes. दुर्घटना ना हो, दुर्घटना हो जाए नहीं, दुर्घटना ना हो.
नहीं, 2 parts. देखिए, basically all said and done, something जो है ना the mere statistics will make something adverse happen whether you like it or not. मतलब कुछ हो ही जाता है, right?
होता ही है. Yes, India.
And when it happens, so there has to be one mechanism which is for the prevention side, and there's another mechanism for the response side, right?
Response, right? Yeah.
So basically, it is the best thing to avoid, and when it has already happened, then how best we can save lives and how best we can minimize the damage which has been caused.
Employees as well as
industry, property, everything, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, I mean that is not really very important. तो आपने काफ़ी लोगों को जोड़ा हुआ है. आप you are very well connected, very active. हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि how we can really collaborate to do something for the country. देखो, हम लोग अपने जो है उस फील्ड में अच्छा काम करते हैं. We try to do whatever best possible within our areas basically, right?
Right.
लेकिन देश के बारे में शायद हम लोगों को सोचने का समय नहीं मिलता है. दिस इज हार्ड फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ.